Why does your scanner show the P2652 engine code? What does it mean? P2652 is a diagnostic trouble code for B rocker arm actuator system is stuck on bank 1. This engine code indicates that the B rocker arm actuator system, which means there's a problem with the oil pressure switch connected to the rocker arms, which control the valve timing and lift in the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Low engine oil. Faulty oil pressure sensor. Wiring issues. Malfunctioning rocker arm actuator. Other potential issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles. It is typically found in vehicles with a variable valve timing VVT system, particularly in Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.